We have so many tasty food in our daily food routine, and shrimp is one of them. Though people make shrimp curry frequently, but then also the hidden attraction of shrimp used to make fish saliva of millions people. But the interesting part is that how far we show the fake logic according to prove that shrimp is a fish. But in reality it is not a fish. It is known as a sea insect. From the various sources, it is known that in terms of exporting frozen shrimp and other fishes, probably 60 to 70% the total exported fish of the country is shrimp. Bangladeshi shrimp is now exported in many countries. In every moment for introducing new market, at the same time there is a search and surety of gain. In Bangladesh, there are many companies. Those are exporting fishes, and among them, Lokpur Group of Industries is a renowned group. Among 100% exported groups, Lokpur is one group which is fully exporting frozen shrimp. The government has started to giving subsidy in terms of exporting frozen shrimp and the other fishes from the budget year 2002 and 2003. At present, this subsidy is gained from frozen exporting prawn at a rate of 10% and for exporting other fishes at a rate of 5%. But without the economic help of the government in terms of international demand and by using the company's own capacity by exporting the pure fresh frozen shrimp and fishes in the world market, this group has introduced itself as a brand. There are 5 organizations of Lokpur Group of Industries. Those are working tremendously for making new market in the world economy for the exported frozen fish and shrimp prawn. This industry is an increasingly global market. In keeping with the goal of developing new markets, frozen shrimp and other fish supply company currently, Lokpur Group of Companies has been working relentlessly to 5, where Rupsha Fish and Allied Industry Limited, Bagirhat Seafood Industry Limited, Lokpur Fish Processing Company Limited, Southern Foods Limited,
Shampa Ice and Cold Storage Limited.
The laborers are concerned with modern machineries and the researchers are continuously striving to maintain international standard.
We processed our shrimps and fishes with 100% hygienic condition. We maintain HACCP. We have own check system, and our factory frequently visited by foreign buyers, delegation, and also we need to maintain our quality as per foreign rules and regulation, also our government rules and regulation.
In all factory owned by this group, the efficient workers reluctantly works for beginning to end. Ensure proper hygienic for maintaining the international standard in producing best quality shrimp. All the workers are adequately paid, given the maximum salaries and incentives in accordance with international labor law. Child labor is fully restricted in this group. These Lokpur Group companies have attained international accomplishment by supervising all export records and by politely following the international laws. With this, the national exchangers is gaining huge returns from this group. However, it is generated so much talk about the shrimp, but the market is not so easy. The perfect way to monitor each step of the program is to prepare the product. I see that in the way, so have a glance about this product. The first stage is to collect egg from the deep sea shrimp from the mother. Later, there were taken precautions into the hatcheries too. Fry the shrimp eggs are made to wait for quite some time. To a certain degree of the chirp were brought to cultivate shrimp, or transportation of caution is in the same way. According to the benefit of shrimp, varieties of shrimp culture to a certain extent, according to the needs of large-sized shrimp and great or shorted by a different. From there, according to the agent of the desired quality, fresh and high quality enough snow zero raw, transparent fresh prawn moves with the factory. With a gust of cold flow of the initial combustion teeth, glitter is clear. Here again the quality control traced at the factory.
1:1 ice used for controlling shrimp temperature.
After arriving the company according to a certain temperature, then it is collected into separate pot. The export of raw materials, the amount of weight of shrimp is not deficient. After the start of the activity inside the factory, with skilled workers, sterile environment where artness and export products according to customer needs is to prepare all stages here. Skilled workers go through the sterile environment of customer demand for a separate pot isolated. Head demand, while others have taken a true taste of the shrimp. Then collected shrimp is to taken to the room temperature below 5 degrees in the duration of 48 hours. After cooling to 48 hours out of the room. Now that would be called the general pressure wash. Many of the weight at the end of the step, pressure wash is to send to the control room of the weight is taken. Guarantee is given to the actual weight. Packets of a certain size in order to ensure the weight of the filled trays are kept refrigerated to pressure. The refrigerated storage on the tray 2 degrees Celsius. Then the clean water temperature is given. Then the ship mortuary after load, and the quality of them is suitable for glazing, is an interval of at least 2 hours in the cold storage. After 2 hours, the shrimp is packed. Skilled and experienced workers to pack the perfect hand, periodic manner suitable for frozen shrimp export. The exact size of the packet then are to taken to the port, according to the customer needs, from which goes to Europe, America, Australia, Russia, all countries including the world's biggest stars.
We are exporting our quality product to every corner of the world. Almost we are also trying to export our product in a new country of the world.